Ever wondered how cashless transactions are transforming the gig economy? In the last few years, cashless transactions have skyrocketed, revolutionizing the way we handle money. Gone are the days of rummaging through pockets for loose change or waiting for checks to clear. In place of that, we've seen the rise of a digital payment landscape where transactions are instant, seamless, and most importantly, cashless. This shift towards digital currency isn't just a trend, it's become a necessity. And nowhere is this more visible than in the burgeoning gig economy. Think about it. Freelancers, contractors, and gig workers are increasingly relying on cashless transactions to receive payments for their services. It's quick, it's convenient, and it's transforming the way gig workers conduct business. This digital revolution is not just about convenience, but also about financial inclusivity, opening up opportunities for many who were previously locked out of the traditional economy. As we delve deeper, you'll understand how this digital revolution is having a profound impact on the gig economy. First things first, what exactly are cashless transactions? Well, as the name suggests, these are transactions that take place without the exchange of physical cash. Instead, they rely on digital or electronic mediums to transfer value from one party to another. Let's dive deeper into some of the common forms of cashless transactions. First up, we have electronic fund transfers, or EFTs. These transfers, often facilitated by banks, allow you to send money directly from your bank account to another. They're the backbone of things like direct deposit and automatic bill payments. Next, we have online shopping. When you buy something online, whether it's a new book, a pair of shoes, or even your groceries, you're participating in a cashless transaction. You provide your payment details, usually a card number or a digital wallet account, and the merchant processes the payment electronically. Mobile banking is another form of cashless transaction that has gained popularity. It's like having a bank in your pocket. You can check your balance, transfer funds, or even deposit checks all from your smartphone. Then we have digital wallets, like Google Pay or Apple Pay. These services store your payment information securely and allow you to make purchases with just a tap of your phone. Lastly, let's talk about cryptocurrencies. These digital currencies, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, are decentralized forms of cashless transactions. They rely on blockchain technology to securely record transactions. Each of these forms of cashless transactions has its own unique benefits and drawbacks. But what they all have in common is the ability to make transactions faster, more convenient, and often more secure than traditional cash transactions. Now you might be wondering, why does any of this matter? Well, as we'll explore in the next segment, these cashless transactions are playing an increasingly important role in the gig economy, where flexibility and convenience are key. Now that you know what cashless transactions are, let's explore why they matter in the gig economy. Why are cashless transactions important in the gig economy, you might ask? Well, let's delve into this a bit. The gig economy, a term that encapsulates freelancers, contract workers, and anyone not tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job, thrives on flexibility, and cashless transactions, with their ease of use and instant gratification, fit right in. Imagine being a freelancer based in London, working on a design project for a client in Tokyo. With traditional cash-based transactions, you'd be grappling with time zones, international banking fees, and currency conversion rates. Now factor in the waiting period for the funds to clear. It's enough to give anyone a headache. But enter cashless transactions. They make this process as easy as sending an email. No matter where you are, no matter where your client is, your payment is just a click away. It's that simple. And it's not just about ease of payment. Cashless transactions allow for a level of flexibility that is crucial in the gig economy. They let you work from anywhere for anyone, at any time. You're no longer restricted by geographical boundaries or banking hours. The world truly becomes your oyster. Moreover, cashless transactions open up the door to the global marketplace. Freelancers can now tap into opportunities from across the world, and businesses can source talent from every corner of the globe. It's a win-win situation, fueling growth and innovation in the gig economy. And let's not forget the efficiency. Cashless transactions can be processed quickly, often in real time. This speed and efficiency are vital for gig workers who rely on timely payments to keep their businesses afloat. It eliminates the uncertainty and delays associated with traditional payment methods, ensuring you get paid for your work promptly. So, in a nutshell, cashless transactions are more than just a convenient way to exchange money in the gig economy. They are a tool that fosters ease, flexibility, and global reach, facilitating swift and efficient payments for freelancers and businesses alike. But how does this system operate? Let's unravel the workings of cashless transactions in the gig economy. The gig economy thrives on the immediacy and convenience of cashless transactions. This statement rings true as the gig economy, or freelance work, has become increasingly popular in recent years, with cashless transactions playing a significant role in its operations. Let's delve into how this process works. Firstly, when a gig worker completes a job, their payment is typically processed through a digital platform. These platforms, such as Uber, Airbnb, or Fiverr, act as intermediaries, connecting gig workers to potential clients. Once a job is completed, the client pays through the platform, which then transfers the funds to the worker's account. This all happens digitally, with no physical cash changing hands. On the business side, these transactions are handled with utmost efficiency. The digital platforms take care of the payment processing, ensuring that workers receive their earnings promptly. They use advanced technologies to swiftly process payments, handle refunds if necessary, and maintain comprehensive records of all transactions. This seamless process not only saves time, but also reduces the potential for human error, making cashless transactions a boon for businesses in the gig economy. Now you may be wondering, where do financial institutions fit into this picture? Well, they play a crucial role. Banks and other financial institutions provide the infrastructure that supports these digital transactions. They work behind the scenes, verifying transactions, providing security measures to prevent fraud, and making sure that the funds reach their intended destination. Moreover, financial institutions are also innovating to cater to the unique needs of the gig economy. For instance, they are developing new financial products, such as flexible loan schemes and insurance policies, specifically designed for gig workers. In a nutshell, the gig economy's cashless transactions are a complex web of interactions between workers, digital platforms, and financial institutions. These transactions are swift, efficient, and secure, making them an integral part of the gig economy's functioning. With a clearer understanding of how these transactions work, let's discuss the benefits and challenges they present. Every coin has two sides, and so do cashless transactions in the gig economy. In this digital age, cashless transactions have become a cornerstone of the gig economy. They offer a myriad of benefits that streamline the way we work and live. Let's delve into these advantages, shall we? Firstly, convenience is king in the gig economy. With cashless transactions, there's no need to fumble around for exact change or wait for the bank to open. You can pay or get paid anytime, anywhere at the click of a button. It's as simple as that. Then there's speed. Instantaneous transactions mean gig workers can receive payment the moment a job is done. No more waiting days or even weeks for that check to clear. This immediacy improves cash flow, a crucial factor for those in the gig economy. Lastly, let's talk about global accessibility. The digital nature of cashless transactions allows gig workers to offer their services worldwide. It bridges geographical barriers, opening up a world of opportunities for freelancers and independent contractors. But like any technology, cashless transactions are not without their pitfalls. Security concerns are paramount. Digital transactions are vulnerable to cyber attacks and data breaches, exposing sensitive information to potential misuse. Another challenge is digital illiteracy. Not everyone is comfortable navigating digital platforms, and this can create a barrier to entry in the gig economy. This issue is particularly prevalent among older adults, or those in regions with limited access to technology. Finally, there's the risk of exclusion. The shift towards cashless transactions could leave behind those without access to digital platforms. This includes the unbanked or underbanked populations, who may find it difficult to participate in the gig economy. Despite the challenges, the potential of cashless transactions in the gig economy is undeniable. As we move further into the digital age, it's essential to address these issues to ensure that the benefits of cashless transactions can be enjoyed by all. After all, the gig economy thrives on inclusivity, and cashless transactions should reflect that. Cashless transactions are more than just a passing trend in the gig economy. They are the currency of the future, paving the way for a more integrated and efficient work landscape. And as we look to the horizon, We see future trends in cashless transactions that promise to reshape the way we work and live. One such trend is the rise of digital currencies. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, these decentralized forms of money are making waves, not just in the financial world, but also in the gig economy. Their use could potentially simplify and enhance the way payments are made. In addition, we see the evolution of digital wallets. They're becoming smarter, more versatile, and more secure. They're not just for holding money anymore. They can track expenses, manage invoices, and even facilitate contracts. The potential for further integration of cashless transactions into the gig economy is immense. As the digital revolution continues, cashless transactions will undoubtedly play an even more significant role in shaping the gig economy. Thank you for watching, like, and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.